Welcome to Law Tech Daily, the podcast that keeps you in the loop on all the latest legal tech news happening each week. Tune in every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday to find out what's happening in the ever-evolving world of law and technology. Be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all the latest episodes. In today's episode, we'll cover the introduction of AI-powered virtual assistant Maddie by legal tech company Adderant and the expanded protection for employees under the California Consumer Privacy Act, as well as the lack of federal regulation of AI and big data in the United States. Let's dive in. We start with some legal tech news. Adderant, a well-known legal tech company, has introduced Maddie, an AI-powered virtual assistant. This assistant is pre-trained on data from several Adderant applications, and it can automate routine tasks and provide insights across their various applications. What's more is that it requires minimal training by law firms, making it very easy to use. Maddie will first be used in the outside counsel guidance compliance tool, Onyx, and the North American docketing solution, Milana. In other news, the California Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA, has recently undergone some changes. It has expanded consumer rights and introduced compliance challenges for businesses. The CCPA now covers business contacts and employees' personal information, and businesses must comply with universal opt-out requests. It's important to note that data sharing is now included, and other states such as Colorado, Connecticut, and Utah are developing their own data privacy laws. Businesses should monitor these developments to be ready to comply accordingly. Moving on, we were not so shocked to learn that lawyers are among the loneliest professionals, which can lead to addiction, depression, stress, burnout, and relationship problems. It's crucial to foster trusting relationships, practice self-care, set boundaries, and maintain perspective to combat loneliness. Providing support to legal professionals is incredibly important. One way to reduce the burden is by leveraging technology. Moreover, new technologies allow legal teams to remain competitive and accommodate evolving client preferences, rising staff costs, and increased options for legal service delivery. Balancing technology with human oversight is crucial for better outcomes and improved client satisfaction. Let's cover our key story. It's based on an article written by Sean Christie and Chuck Hollis of Norton Rose Fulbright, discussing AI, machine learning, and big data laws and regulations for 2023. The article focuses on the US, and they call out that currently there isn't a comprehensive federal law that specifically regulates AI, machine learning, and big data. Instead, these technologies are governed by a combination of state and federal laws, as well as sector-specific regulations. However, the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, is identified as the primary federal agency responsible for enforcing laws related to these technologies. They've even issued guidelines on the use of AI and algorithms with a focus on transparency, explainability, fairness, and robustness. Privacy is also a significant concern when it comes to AI, machine learning, and big data. While there isn't a federal data privacy law, several states, most notably California with its California Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA, have enacted their own privacy laws to protect consumers. But there are legal issues that can arise from the use of AI in decision-making processes. For example, in areas such as employment or credit decisions, these can lead to legal issues related to discrimination and bias. Looking towards the future, the article predicts an increase in regulation in this area, particularly as AI and big data continue to evolve and become more integrated into society. And who knows, the potential for federal privacy legislation is also discussed. So that's an overview of what we can expect when it comes to AI, machine learning, and big data laws and regulations in 2023. Looks like there's a lot to keep an eye on as these technologies continue to advance and become more ingrained in our daily lives. And that's a wrap. Subscribe, follow, and join us next time to learn what happened in legal tech this week. Stay informed, get ahead.